I'm going to show you a little trick on how to multiply 6 times 6 up to 9 times 9 on your fingers. Let's start by numbering your hands. So, if you have your hands open, laid out in front of you, we need to number them. We always begin with our thumb. Our thumb is 6, our pointer is 7, our tall man is 8, and our ring finger is 9. And that works for both hands. So on my right hand, my thumb is 6, my pointer is 7, my tall man is 8, and my ring finger is 9. So again, this multiplication factor will only work from 6 times 6 on up to 9 times 9. So let's begin by setting up our hands. Again, if you recall, we started with our thumbs, so 6 times 7, I would only be using my finger and my thumb. So that would look like this, just my finger and my thumb sticking out on my left hand. On my right hand, I'm looking for it to be 6, 7, 8. So in this case, I'd use my thumb, my pointer, and my tall man. Okay. So my hand would end up looking like this. Okay. So again, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now that we have our hands set up, let's go ahead and work on our method here. Okay. We're going to count every finger that's standing up by 10. So this would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 7 times 8 is 50. Okay. And now we're going to take the fingers that are lying down. On this hand, I have 3 fingers lying down. On this finger, I have 2 fingers lying down. And 3 times 2 is 6. So now, standing up, I have 50. Lying down, I have 6. So 50 plus 6 is 56. So 7 times 8 is 56. All right, let's try another one. So, first I set up my fingers. To make a 7, I need to stick out my thumb and my forefinger, my pointer finger. That makes 7 on this hand. And on my right hand, I need the same thing, 6 and 7. So now, looking at my hands, I have 7 times 7. Okay? Everything sticking up is a 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. So, I have 40 standing up. Lying down, I have 3 fingers on my left and 3 fingers on my right. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, 7 times 7 is 49. Let's try another one. 8 times 6. So, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 on this hand, and I have just my thumb sticking out for 6 on that hand. Okay. Now, let's start. Everything sticking up. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have a 40. This hand I have 2. This hand has 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. Okay. Getting a little better. Try another. All right, let's try another one. 6 times 7. Again, 1 thumb sticking up. Therefore, I have 6. A thumb and a forefinger is 7. So I'm set up as 6 times 7. So let's count everything sticking up. I have 10, 20, 30. So I have 30 sticking up. On this hand, I have 4. On my right hand, I have 3. So now, 4 times 3 is 12. This one takes a little bit more mental math, but you would come up with 6 times 7 equals 42. Now that we've done this several times, let's actually write down the steps to help you. So we're going to do 7 times 9. The very first thing is set up your fingers. Okay, so we have 7 on this hand, the left hand, and we have 9 on the right hand. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to count everything sticking up by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So we have 60. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be doing some multiplication. Multiply the numbers that are lying down. So I have 3 and a 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And the very last step, let's see, not meant to do that. Very last step is add them together. So I find that 7 times 9 equals 63.